In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss on NinjaTrader Web. Now to do this, you want to open the web version of NinjaTrader, and then from here, as you can see up top above your chart, you have these trading options. Now by default, you can then go and buy or sell over here, and if you do this, as you can see, we're just going to say order filled, and there's not going to be any stop losses on there, okay? So if you actually want to fix this, if you want to add a stop loss, you would go to over here where it says ATM, and you want to click on this kind of settings cogwheel next to it. Now you want to turn this on, and then of course you could give it a name if you wanna. I'm just gonna create a new one, and I'm going to type in, for example, stop loss, and hit OK. And just like this, you can show in ticks, delta price, or percent, or dollar value. I'm gonna just leave it at ticks, and type, I'm actually gonna make it stop loss only. You could do take profit as well, or take profit only, up to you. And of course you could also do multiple if you want to, but for now I'm just gonna have one. So stop loss only, then you want to put your stop loss in ticks. I'm gonna do, let's do 10, and then stop loss type, I'm just going to keep it at stop. Then hit the save button, and as you can see here, ATM now says stop loss because I added this one. And if I now go and, for example, buy or sell, it's going to allow me to add a stop loss on here just like this, as you can see over here, okay? So if I wanted to now change this, of course, I can do that as well. If I wanted to put this at like 30 for some reason, I can go save, and I can click on, for example, buy over here, and there we go. I've done that as well, okay? Which is quite convenient. So that's exactly how to set a stop loss in NinjaTrader Web. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.